Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use brick ties. Brick ties are essential components in masonry construction, serving as a crucial link between the exterior brick veneer and the structural backing wall. They are designed to prevent the brickwork from bowing, cracking, or collapsing, especially under wind loads or seismic activity. Understanding their proper application is vital for ensuring the long-term stability, safety, and durability of any brick structure. Selecting the correct brick tie is paramount for structural integrity. Common types include corrugated ties, often used for lighter residential projects, and more robust wire ties, such as pintle or ladder types, which provide superior strength for heavier loads. Adjustable ties are excellent for accommodating minor discrepancies in alignment between the inner and outer walls. Always consider the wall materials, cavity width, and local environmental factors when making your choice. Proper installation is key to the effectiveness of brick ties. Vertically, ties should be spaced no more than 16 inches apart, while horizontal spacing typically should not exceed 32 inches. Ensure each tie is embedded at least 1½ inches into the mortar joint of both the veneer and the backing wall. Staggering the ties in a consistent pattern helps distribute loads evenly, enhancing overall wall stability. To ensure lasting performance, avoid common installation pitfalls. Never use ties that are corroded or damaged, as their compromised integrity can lead to structural failure. It is also crucial to avoid placing ties too close to wall openings, such as windows or doors, where they might interfere with framing. Always ensure ties slope slightly downwards towards the exterior to effectively shed any moisture, preventing water ingress and potential damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.